How to update vehicle or driver information. Need to update your car or driver details? Here's how to edit your information in Bolt. First, open your Bolt driver app and go to the profile or vehicle section. To update driver info like name, ID, or contact details, tap Edit Profile. For vehicle details, go to Vehicles and select the one you want to update. Then upload new documents or change info like license plate or color. Some updates may require verification, so wait for confirmation before going online again. Keep your details updated. Unverified changes might temporarily block trip requests. How often do you update your Bolt info? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can update vehicle or driver information. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.